Well, I like to provide a lot of entertainment for the dog. So I would never leave a dog without having a chew toy, possibly some music on. There are puzzles that you can, there are like little mazes where they can find treats and open little windows, and it's kind of almost too complicated for me, but the dogs seem to figure it out right away. Anything chewing and searching, maybe. Some people opt to leave treats hidden in the apartment, and I do like to leave some music or talk radio on for the dogs, because it's sort of relaxing, and especially classical music I find is very relaxing for them. So, and I think another important point is not to make a big deal when you leave and not to make a big deal when you come back. So the greetings are not going to be a huge event for you or the dog. So it's kind of evened out and you're avoiding separation anxiety that way.